Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kidkhat jangka Khasi Students Union West Janti Hills Union lamar ki pulit jangka Barato Police Outpost kila Hiar Marmar syakasnang mujam ka bahap hapok ilaka labang nang pelun hadian bakalami ke jinga kan ad hapren ki penar bar ki karbi ki barab ha ki lengkha ki risai jang ki penar hakasnang mujam General Secretary jangka KSU West Janti Hills District Union ubat lening rat taryang ha uker wo khubor balap ha hi daka seng lengba ka video shikila phai khubor ulai thu baki pai karbi naduk ki por menshwa kila rep kila riang ha ki lengkha ki bala long try da ki penar henry suki andala ya ki singi ber ki snem ki pai karbi kila persang ban kam try penban ya ka jaka hadien baklasna sendan da ka ying kani ke jingkam try jeng ki karbi ye ki lengkha rep jeng ki penar kala jabyang ha kani ka kenti kat hadu bakalami ke jinga pen ibor ha pedeng ki penar ber ki karbi ulai thuru ba video lembar ki pulit jong karalyang outpost kila poi ha kasnang mujam andala dep ka jinga kran penben ha pedeng ki nong yalam ka KSU ki pat ba kasnang mujam ber ki pai karbi ki pulit kila bu por ha kawai par kasngi ban pelong ya ka jinga kran halor kani ke jingja
proper documents, there should be proper boundary, proper border. Then only we can stop.
Border is already there.
We will talk nicely. Let our BDO and all come, and we will settle it one and for all. We will settle it peacefully.
Peacefully.
We will settle it peacefully.
Yeah, we want to
settle
this matter peacefully.
रोज हम लोग को कांबुरा से बात कर रहे हैं दिल्ली हर साल हम लोग को ये बात कर रहा है ना ये बात पर कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं किया ना आप लोग भी क्या बोलता है
We will talk it nicely. We will solve it nicely.
These things will know among the local people here.
Yes.
People from outside they will not know about this situation.
Yes, we know. That is, you are living here. You know everything. What
Yes.
happened.
We have been living here since
So
80,
what
90 years.
the headman from the other village and your headman,
Yes.
along with the BDO and all who are in charge, we will solve it nicely. If there are proper documents, we'll check it. If there is not, we will search another way. We will find another solution how to solve it, so that there will be no more quarreling and no more talking about cement.
Without any information that entering here.
इमरजेंसी है ना अभी तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे डेट फिक्स कीजिए ना
Actually, they don't have right to enter directly without any information. They should give the information first, then only they have to come. We don't get
हिंदी बोलो असमीज बोलो इंग्लिश बोलो
Like this. Since we have come, we will solve it. We will talk
No,
to
these
them.
things cannot be solved today. We have to get with our council head. There is our CM.
Yes.
There is our KSA.
Yes.
With all this, we can solve this. Only with this villages head, we cannot solve this problem because this problem is not a small matter.
हम लोग तो ऐसा जागरी तो नहीं चाहिए नहीं शायद दोनों तो बाउंड्री है ना बीच में
Okay, we can arrange that also. We will call our CEM. We will call our JCC. Whoever concerned about the thing, we will
Because
solve it.
since this place is fall under the Karbi Anglong, under the Assam, so the people who are in charge in the council, they will come and they will discuss about this.
If we can do that also. We can call our CEM. We can call our authorities.
This morning was not calling fast.
মোক কি আমাৰ একো নাই কাৰণ আপোনালোকে লগ পাই থাকে নাই হ'ব লাগে মিলাপ হ'ব লাগে
মানে আমি তো সদায় মিলা মিলি একো প্ৰবলেম নাই হেনতে কিমান কাম কৰিছে আমি disturb কৰা নাই
No need of all the things, no. The only things we need is only the understanding among documents. Yes. Documents.
हो जाएगा হ'ব
You listen, sir, one things because we come, they do not know. Actually, the information we got from here. We got from here, no? Then as soon as last night, Mogilim outpost they called to Ganbura. Then Kanbura they said if you don't come tomorrow, all the Mojam village will arrest and will finish. They said that is why we came.
Oh, thing is that they did know what they have.
Okay, whatever.
নহয় থানা তো মাতিছে নেলে আমি ক'ব লাগে না স্যার ক'ব লাগে তেওঁ ভুল আছে মানে আমি ক'ব লাগে
Alam magela son yun itong giwahdi. Mane pu mogilum apos pen ako borilong.
Alam mari si Peng Peng PF po lola si gone is gone. Gone present situation ka discuss pa na discuss ng
kali mane pini alam lo.
An para pu kubor long lo nitum jong si moje marat tum wangwi pulute hada sport area an pare nak tum arrest po an pare tum so finish po dak apo so police tum se dak kambra long iko.
Oh an
So alam gena la Sir will tell who's that person who give us that of information. You must tell us that man and that your humka.
Okay.
Actually, no sir. Alam hedi. Mane actually ne tum wangwe dak ho.
Actually हमारा जो
An parke ne tum akubori long Rosa, let me finish my explain. Like this. Alam hedi. An par pu kubor lelo di. An par opos pen par dak kangbura ne tum kangbura kubor lelo. An par jong si nang tum pinap wangwe la sport kali ne tum dak wang liha apos. An par ne tum pilo ne tum ha apos wang nangi. Pun ne tum ipu. An par la sumunit afuni deng bangai nang tum jong si dak thanat wangwe pule nang tum mojia matum ekdom arrest hypo sop guli mari boleh kau sudah kan? Begini kan boleh kan? Hilang saya dulu belum lah suap polis atau lebar begini. Kalista anpar hada control room kibahi inka kibak question kuanai control room logot kibak ami check kurip. Number
Kali kan nang tumar lagi ten lewang cote melo. Lama ke nang tumang pakai.
La soalam lo netum dai bang. You listen all here okay? Because we got the information from
We have already fixed the date. No need to talk each other. Okay.
Let us let him know. Okay.
Kalau numbore doling tu po sekarang tumrakan wang pek nang ne dah. Nang tumar lagi ten tu wang non. Senior belum maro. Cuma ceput tunggu.
He or she might be a wrong number. Yeah. You should know about that. So we have already talked about the matters. So no need to talk anymore.
Nang tum wang pak per
I do. Alam magede. Itu.
Ode bapa de.
Ini kemarin order. Boleh tum dak kali dak.
Ami ko
So we'll do like this. We'll do like this. Both the villages will gather in one place, and with this we will call all the leaders. So we'll discuss regarding this problem. Otherwise, we will not confirm about this problem. We will not compromise.
Okay, sir. You do like this. Give us time, sir. You talk there.
Yes.
We will discuss there.
Yes.
Then before we spread this up,
But
we will
today
talk.
no need.
Yes. But not today.
Okay.
Aji to na lagay sir.
We'll select a particular date. We'll select a particular date.
Information.
Yes.
We'll do like this. Now, from both sides, village committee, you have meeting here. We people, we will stay there.
Yes. Because we don't want hatred among these two villages.
Yes. We don't want anything to happen to them. We want to settle it. If you want anything, you have to settle it peacefully.
The thing is that they have did wrong. They are coming and destroying our properties. This they are not supposed to be done by them.
Yes. What have they done? There's nothing to do. We cannot do anything. So what we have to do now is, for today, let put the village committee will discuss here. We will stay there. Whatever the result is, then we will take it. Gabura. बात करो हम लोग
Okay, then for today we discuss only among the villages.
only Gabura village committee discussing. Yes, you do like this. For today,
We will only talk
about only the
we will fix a date.
yes.
About the border.
About the date.
Today,
We cannot conclude this matter.
let the village committee from Mokhade and from
Problem must be
here we have a meeting. Then they will fix the date.
And we'll discuss about this
Whoever
matter.
you will call your authority. We also will call our authority. Then we will solve it.
Okay.
With proper documents. Verbally we cannot do anything. Okay. Headman. Talk.
Handman.
kali no
Ini mengilayo phone call pada ke city. Nego mau yalam senang jong senang mojam. Bagladon jingkru ni ke jaka senang jongki lagi karbi basa sakaput ke senang matade dakaba mensua dakum bujing itu jongki ki ong bagi ai kita ngejaka bandrep kang ba ketang bakim debat bankam try jaka ndai kadang nya kipor kini ki karbi kila lebor dakaba senayeng bat kam eno sendon gitu jaka bakirep ke bagladon ru kecing pen ibor ngeleng jong karbi tengi banse kum keseng ila her mta kasngi sti pasaki teraja kikmat ban ndangi po yang tei bagladon kecing kren apa deng kinong ilam senong jong karbi nong ilam senong mojem ndai kecing kren kampoi se kila rai nak dakawai karai ba ini bu kawai ketarik kenapa makiru kinun yalam yang taki authorities jongki ki yahan jongki mana kirang jongi ru yang hi ban yalam ye bor an ki bade khmi yo pu sam ba gum jor kendo ku siap bade ka bor district administration jongi ban pen bek done pu sam hoj gajing sisa ya tv bagade snong ka snong jong snong mojam bar kila den ru saki sabut kila don ki kot kisla ki babiang ban intikna bat kila tikna ru bagade sisa kejaka bahap cepo senong mojam penegara yang jungi ngkiri dawa na sarkar bakari pantuklar kloy alor gidi jing jia kaput kenang ba kanum jia kano bas musi hadin ada kumni nya jia nya do sia do igi men sembrio kelong ke bas musi bar bitar yangi kum geseng penegara yang jungi dawa na sarkar baga dot trainer marmar lebih no yo put usam kenang ba kanum don su kono jingi khajia kejing kulun jogi karbi ye kijaka bat puta jogi priu jungi basa siksinong border panageleng jogseng ikwa ni ai mesin ye parado prasam jungi basa hakeleng purusam jongane kejela jungi ba ni kum geseng nginom ino ipi nginom radin nakano jingi de longgar bolong jagat baca ini ada lengkap barfi parado prasam jungi kamtam ki basa sebodar pada kanu kepor ba piren kam ngilong ki bakloy perwan yarap ipi bar ni ke paru ye ki bor an ba kim dai than ban tieng ban lek cikput ceka sam jungi marba ker kum jingi ba pulit asam hi jutieng bandrung sigi siang penar sigi ceka basa ki penar ndai ki pulit jongi pan kiong ba kasorkar kamsya kamai bor ki bikin lek seta hendrai kikut tang haduk hamu koilum serum mu koilum kim don su ye ka bor ban hier namar ba kasorkar kamsya ngata kara ngeleng jungi ngiken du kasorkar ban ai bor ki bulit jongi ru bikin lek ye ka boran kam bikin lek se kisinong ki thau jongi budan hanya kaput tang ini kinten kompleks bor